Are you thinking about making a move to Port St Lucie, Florida? Imagine living in a brand new home without the restrictions of an HOA. More freedom, more flexibility, and more space you've been dreaming of. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local real estate resource here on the Treasure Coast, and on this channel, I take you inside the newest communities, model homes, and hidden gems around Port St Lucie so you can find the perfect place to call home. If you're relocating here, you are in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my new construction home tours. And when you're ready to make your move, all my contact info is right here. I'd love to help make Port St Lucie your new home. So this home is going to give you 2,850 square feet under air with 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, an office with double French doors, a separate den, a formal dining room, and a huge open concept kitchen. But beyond just its size, you'll find a modern design inside and out. From the oversized polished floors to the sleek gourmet kitchen, multiple tray ceilings, the dual entryway shower with freestanding tub in the master, and of course the metal roof and hurricane impact windows for peace of mind. This house is unique and there really aren't any other models like this that are being offered by other builders. I've had the opportunity to help clients in the past when they become available, either when the builder is closing one out or when one that's already built comes to market. But this particular model sits on a rare, oversized half-an-acre lot. Another thing to consider, especially if you're not too familiar with the Port St Lucie area, is that this home is built with no HOA, which is commonly referred to as scattered lots. You're not in a community, but you also don't have any HOA fees, rules, or restrictions, and you have more space away from your neighbor, especially with this property. Having helped over 100 families build their homes with many different builders in South Florida, my experience is in the differences and nuances of every one. For example, the standard size lot in Port St Lucie is 80 feet wide by 125 feet deep. But this property is nearly double the size and all fenced in, which makes a pool even easier to build, or if you have toys like a boat, jet skis, four-wheeler, an RV, or run a business where you need to keep your truck or trailer at home or build another building, that makes a world of a difference. Thinking about making a move to Port St Lucie, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or even to get more home for your money if you're moving up from Miami or Broward, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood, to navigating new construction, to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. And when you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. Thank you for joining me on today's home tour here in Port St Lucie. If you're looking for a brand new home with no HOA, you've seen how many amazing options are out there. If you're ready to take the next step, give me a call, send me a text, or shoot me an email. I'd love to guide you through the process of finding your perfect home here on the Treasure Coast. And don't forget, I post new construction tours and local updates every single week. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.